Welcome to the Eviction 2022. Over the next few weeks, you're going to have a series of very intense property investment challenges, and the winner is going to be given £20,000 cash prize to help kickstart your property investment journey. With the help of various mentors that are going to be assisting me throughout these challenges, I will decide who stays and who gets evicted.
Because you needed to be spoon-fed.
Wow.
Yeah. Just don't lie to me.
Don't call me a liar.
I'm not going to lie down and take it.
Can I have a break?
Better than Coronation Street, isn't it?
You're evicted.